In the 1970s, Yamaha introduced the Yamaha HL 500, a motorcycle born from the collaboration between Torsten Hulman and Sten Lundin with Yamaha. The bike was based on the Yamaha XT 500 modified for motocross racing. With a special frame and upgraded suspension, the HL 500 became a competitive bike in off-road races and a legend in the dirt bike world. Now there are rumors that Yamaha is preparing its successor, the Yamaha HL 700 Twin. The dirt bike world currently does not have many options for bikes with an engine capacity of 700 cubic centimeters. The KTM 690 Enduro R and Husqvarna 701 Enduro are currently the two main choices in this class. However, if these rumors are true, the Yamaha HL 700 Twin could be a strong contender in this segment. Based on the outstanding Yamaha HL 700 Twin design from Aberdan Betsy, the frame is likely to be more minimalistic with more aggressive geometry for motocross and enduro needs. The bike is likely to be based on the Yamaha Tenere 700 engine, a 689 cubic centimeter parallel twin that has proven to be tough for riding in the great outdoors. If true, this will give the bike a different engine character from its competitors like the KTM 690 Enduro R, which uses a single-cylinder engine. Also, with its twin parallel engine configuration, the bike has the potential to offer smoother power than a single-cylinder engine, as well as more even torque throughout the engine's rev range. Going back to history, the Yamaha HL 500 is not purely Yamaha's own creation. It was born out of a collaboration with Hulman in London, who gave it special touches to make it a competitive race bike. If Yamaha is really developing the HL 700, could it be that they will collaborate with other parties such as KTM or a company that specializes in dirt bikes to create this bike? For now, the Yamaha HL 700 Twin is still limited to rumors and design concepts. There has been no official confirmation from Yamaha regarding this bike. However, looking at the market trend and the increasing interest in large-capacity dirt bikes, it is possible that one day Yamaha will revive the HL series legend with a new model.